What the fuck are we doing here? We cannot make it there. Oh putain, my fingers are so cool, like I struggle to break. Good morning. This morning we're in Arizona and we're just leaving a bunker backer house. We're going toward the Grand Canyon. I'm very excited for that, but it is way colder than what we expected. Like it goes down to 15 degrees Fahrenheit, so minus 10. Way below freezing, way before anything comfortable to ride or camp. So let's get dressed and put layers. So first of all, I have base layers, so a long sleeve thermals, and I have the same with leggings and just my jeans, just a simple t-shirt. Then first fleece, second fleece, a down vest, a down jacket, my motorbike armor. That starts to be a little bit tight. I don't know if you're gonna be able to close it. And last layer, my rain jacket just to cut from the wind. I lost all mobility. Feel stiff now. Beanie has to go out, unfortunately, but I have my buff. Gonna keep way high, and winter gloves. I'm ready to go. I'm actually quite warm. I'm so stuffed that I feel like if I fell from the bike for any reason, I'm just gonna bounce against the road. Wind is freezing. Oh, what the fuck are we doing here? Oh putain, my fingers are so cool, like I struggle to break. Oh bordel. The roads start to be slippery. We cannot make it further. Fuck. Oh boy. I'm so scared to slide. Oh, bordel. Oh, don't feel my fingers. Oh, that is not fun. How are you doing? Oh putain, my fingers. Oh, that's painful. Oh. Okay, we found shelter in a Best Buy shop, and someone let us sit on a sofa and gave us some things to warm. This is bad. I don't think we're gonna make it to the Grand Canyon. I have no idea. I'm not riding further in these conditions. Like the blood coming back in my finger is just so much pain. Oh bordel. What the fuck are we doing here? So we're not making it to the Grand Canyon today. We were supposed to camp there and it's way too cold, but the weather might be better tomorrow, so we're gonna try. And today we're spending first night ever in a motel. I don't know. I feel like I know motels only from movies, and that's where murders happen and stuff. But I don't know. Feels like in a movie to be in a motel. Okay, let's get warm. We improvised a dinner in the motel. Just instant rice, raw tofu, and some greens because we were missing greens.
Not great, not terrible.
No, it's not.
All the layers are on again. We're ready to try once more to go to the Grand Canyon. Continue to have all the layers when we left. Mistake. Big in a mistake.
Grand Canyon.
Thank you.
Good ride, Jack.
Thank you very much. How are you gonna film that? It's too big. Is it the best view you ever had while making lunch?
Definitely had worse.
Lunch with a view. Well, it's not very surprising, but I think I caught a cold with the snowstorm yesterday, so we went in a motel again close to the Grand Canyon, and I just rested for the whole afternoon, and hopefully tomorrow I will have some more energy and we'll visit the national park because it looks very, very cool. Good morning! We're back in the national park of the Grand Canyon. I feel way better than this morning. I had a good rest in the motel, so I'm ready to explore a bit, drive around today and see as much as we can. It's a bit late in the season to do some hikes, unfortunately, but I think just riding around and just stopping at the viewpoint, that will be super cool. Oh. Hey, so after the Grand Canyon, we booked a few days in a hostel. We're still there. We were both quite sick after the cold, the snowstorm, etc. I spent 2 full days just resting, and I feel better, but Quentin is still sick, he's still in bed. So today I'm starting a project, something I wanted to do for a very long time, but which is a bit scary. I want to paint the bike. I want to put some details about the trip on the bike itself, because very often people stop, take photos of the bike, or if we're around, ask us questions. So I just want to write on it where we started the trip, where we're going, where I'm from, and stuff like that. But I'm a little bit scared to do a mess. So hopefully that will not be too ugly. But well, there's only one way to know. Let's start it. So the first thing is that I added a little French flag on the back of the bike, because I have license plates from Canada, but I'm not from Canada. So like this, people have a clue from where I'm from. And now I want to paint the front of the bike. It's quite easy for mine because my bike is white, so I can start with a pencil before doing anything more permanent. Okay, I'm done. It's far from being perfect, but I'm happy.